it's Ashley here from Paper and Twine, and it is day 20 of 30 clean and simple Christmas cards. Can you believe it? We are now 2/3 of the way through. You'll be so glad when I've finished. I know my husband definitely will be. Anyway, today is hopefully going to be a really quick card. Now, use whatever papers you have in your stash or inky backgrounds that you can stamp on, whatever. We're essentially going to make some Christmas decorations out of round dies. I'm using some scraps from this gorgeous 12 by 12 paper pad from first edition that I've had for a couple of years. I absolutely love it. And I found some scraps that I think are going to be ideal because I'm not going to do any stamping today. No stamping at all. But I thought, how cute would that be if I can cut that out? And this coordinates really nicely. And then I've got this little scrap that I can do something with. I might even just do a little bit kind of, oh, you know, if we had that kind of hanging off somewhere. I've got some tape in case I want to secure things, which I think I might do. And I'm just using 3 sizes. I'm going to cut several dies or several circles, and then we'll see what we want to use. I know that I definitely want this here. So I'm going to use my low tack tape to secure this so it doesn't shift when I'm running it through my die cutting machine. Just trying to get a bit more red. Making sure that I've got that sentiment in. I have got more of this if it doesn't work, but the idea is that you're using scraps, using what you have in your stash. I do hope everybody is well, and I've had some new subscribers recently. I'd like to thank my returning viewers, my regular viewers, but if you're new here, you are very, very welcome. Thank you so much for your support. I have people that watch every video that I put out. So I must give shout outs to Anne Lane, Margaret Flaxman, Margaret Peden, Andrea the Cumbrian Crafter. Who else can I think of? I'm going to miss people out now. Chatty Batty watches quite a lot. Oh, whoever you are, when you take the time to comment, it really, really does make me very happy. Now, I do quite like that, but I think I'm going to go for running this through here. Let me just get some scissors. And if you are new here, how did you find me? Did somebody recommend me? Were you suggested, did YouTube suggest my video to you? I would be really interested to know. Right, so I'm just going to move that over like that. So we've got the little bit of red that's in our main bauble here and the blue background colour. This tape is so good. It's not mint tape. It is it from Studio Light? It wouldn't surprise me. Can't tell. Hazel stocks it anyway. There we go. That should be all right. Run this one through. So, as I say, use whatever you have got. And you don't have to do just circles. I've done circles because if you don't have circle dies, you can find things to draw around. That's quite sweet, like that. And oh, it's a pity that tree is a bit close to the reindeer. I would like the reindeer, but I don't want to do a really, really big one. Oh, do you know what I think I'm going to do? It's a pity I just nipped the top off that there. Could have that. Could have the little reindeer. We'll have the little reindeer head, and his antlers have got little baubles on. Just going to trim around there. Yes. Now, if you come back tomorrow, I think what I'm going to do tomorrow is a card with an embossing folder and a simple stamp. And then if you come back the day after that, Jenny's Crafty Corner, who I didn't give a mention to in that long list of people that watch me regularly, Jenny's Crafty Corner has thrown down a challenge for me to make a pink card. So I think day 21 is going to be embossing folder, because we haven't done anything with embossing folder yet. And day 22 is going to be a pink Christmas card. I think it stemmed from the, oh, you see, I like that. But then I think I had a little tiny scrap of the, yes, had this here. That's nice. I'm going to do that as well. Yes, it stemmed from the watercolour card I did with the bright pink background. It had other colours in it as well, like yellow and orange and a little bit of, tiny little bit of lime green. So I think it stemmed from that. Don't quite know what I'm going to do yet, but I know it's going to be pink. Other colours are available. Right, so I've got this as my main bauble. I've got this. Help if you had it the right way around. I've got this and I've got this. I don't mind that it's got a little bit of something on it. Have it that way like that. Then I think I just want one more bauble, because we need to have odd numbers. What to go for? I do like the believe here. Shall we have this at the bottom out of this one here? Yeah, if I kind of position that like that there, and that's going to go on the bottom of my page, then I've got a nod to, oh, and we follow the circle of that little design there. We've got a nod to, oh, another little sentiment. Right, here we go. Do you know, it's been a funny old week weather-wise. It's actually Tuesday as I'm filming this, because I don't work Tuesdays. And tomorrow is my husband's birthday. By the time you see this, we will have done lots of celebrating. So I'm thinking, oh, just knocked that on the floor. Right, let's just close that because you're blinded by the light. Right, we are going to arrange, moving things out of the way so that I can give you a good shot. So if we have that there like that, let's make sure we've got this opening the right way. There would be nothing worse would there than gluing this on and it didn't work, because I am going to send these Christmas cards. And then this is our main one here, but it doesn't have to be in the centre. So I think I will have you there like that. I'm going to have you there like that. Going to have you there like that. And we'll have you there like that. Maybe we'll just, oh, maybe I do need another one. I need to ponder. Or maybe we only have 3. Oh, what if I have that so it's hanging off? We have you there and you there. That kind of splits the colours up a bit, doesn't it? And then we can put, actually, we can put that, the other half of that up there, so it balances it a little bit. Let's get gluing. Right, before I draw my strings on. I think it just needs a little bit of something. I've decided not to put that on, and it's a good job that these circles have got a little stitch detail, because they do kind of get lost a little bit. But I thought I don't think we've used very little silver sparkle cards, so I've just been in my scraps drawer. I'm going to punch some circles out of this just to stick on. Do this punch as well, just as a little something extra. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've gone for the sparkle because it says it's the season to sparkle. Maybe that's too many. That is a little bit more balanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll do one hanging off there. Just chop you in half. And then we can draw some strings on. Yeah, so it's quite subtle, this one. I think when I've drawn the strings on, it'll come to life a bit more. So I'll fast this bit. I'll put this on fast forward for you. So there we have it, and the black does just kind of bring it all together. If you'd got a really nice gold pen or a silver pen, that would work. I do think the silver sparkle just adds a little bit, but I just wanted to show you this that I also made. It's the same idea. Love that this is kind of like a little Christmas bauble with a sentiment on and just 3 little gold gems. But see the difference that a different coloured background makes to your card. So have fun and experiment. Just because I've been using white a lot, if you mix it up to ivory, what does that look like? If you'd done this on red with a little silver border around the bauble, what would that look like? Have fun and experiment, and I'll be back tomorrow with day 21. Please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It does help YouTube know that people are interested in this kind of content, and if you've got crafty friends that don't know about me, share the love. Take care. Bye now.